channel. Here's Ray, and if you've never seen my video before, this is actually my third video on YouTube. And today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys. This is the makeup I'm wearing right now. I just have to put this video there because this is how my makeup looked like in the natural lighting, and now I'm already outside and I've been walking for a bit already and it's really hot outside. And as you can see, my makeup still look very flawless. And I will probably yap a little bit in the video and give you guys some life update. So let's get started. Okay, let's do my makeup because later I'm gonna go out with my friend for coffee, so we definitely need to apply for sunscreen. Also, just to give you guys a little life update, as some of you guys know that several months ago I went on a dating show, and recently the show just came out, and you know what? I feel so bad because I feel like I look so ugly on the show. Help! Why am I looking so ugly? And also that time before the show, I had a really bad haircut, like a really bad haircut. So that's why I was having like such a heavy bang. And also I didn't do my eyelashes. Actually I did it, but I went to a store that I'd never been before, and the technique was so bad. It just made my eyes look smaller, you know? Well, anyway, today we're gonna do like a makeup video, so kind of like get my aura back. And then for foundation, this is the foundation that I've been using for the whole past months, I would say, because it's really light, flawless, but it can also cover little dark spot on your face. I really like this. I also have SPF like 25, and I usually apply it with this how do you say, makeup knife. For my makeup, I like it really light, so I always use this knife because I feel like if I use this knife, I don't need to put on that much of foundation. Oh, because when I got this foundation, it's from a brand. The color tone looks slightly lighter than my skin tone. So I bought myself a foundation mixer, like very dark mixer, and I put it there and I just mixed them. So now the color looks more tan and it matched with my original skin tone and the makeup that I want to go for. And also the things about this foundation is it's very moisturized. It's really easy to, you know, and you know what, I also watched myself, like how I talk on a show, and I was like, wait, my English was so bad. Before I went on the show, I was staying in Shanghai, and when I was on the show, it was my first time in America actually. So I was pretty nervous, and I was also sick. So I don't know why I talk like that. I don't like the way how I talk. And then let's do eyebrow. Eyebrow, I don't really like my original eyebrow shape, and also I got microblading. You know, it's like this, like tattoo on your eyebrow, that kind of things. So I usually started at the front, and because I want to make my eyebrow more flat, so now I just need to fill the spot that I feel like it's, you know. Now it's more flat. Okay, so here is the eyebrow. And if you still feel like you don't like your eyebrow shape, I bought this pencil. It's like a concealer pencil to cover some spot on your face that you don't like. And I will do this under my eyebrow to make the shape more sharp. And then you kind of just blend it. And then let's do eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I've been using this the whole time because I was traveling, and this one just very like my go-to eyeshadow. It has 4 colors that is totally enough for your daily life, you know, like for your daily routine, makeup routine. Or before I was using this one, and as you can see, some of the part is already empty because I really like this one. So we get this color first. Don't put too much. This one is more like put it like a foundation for your eyeshadow, so later when you blend the other color, it will look more smooth. So you kind of just yeah, just like this. It's not even very visible, but it's okay. And then we go for this slightly more yellow, more warm tone one. Also put a little under your eyes. And we're gonna put this dark one with another little smaller brush. Very important, don't try to apply for too much at once, but try to do it, apply less, but apply multiple times. You know what I mean? So you look more smooth, that like your eyes would not, like your makeup would not look too much. Because I often made that mistake when I was beginner. Yes, beginner. Oh, I really hate the way I talk in front of camera. I feel like I talk better off camera, but like every time I set up a camera, I just feel like my English level just go down like 30%, because I'm always like very nervous, and I kind of just don't like my face when I'm talking. I'll be like, why my muscles move like that? You know what I mean? And I will feel very insecure. I actually feel very insecure about myself, but I'm working on it, and I want to, you know, I'm acting very confident, because sometimes I am, but sometimes I'm insecure. Oh my god, I'm yapping so much. Okay, so eyeshadow finito. Then let's do contour. For contour, I always love Fenty Beauty, and those are the two colors that I'm always using. I usually apply for amber first because the color looks cooler, like the cool tone, and is more gray, and it really matches with Asian skin tone, and it create very natural shadow. Can you see it? And then here. And I really like to blend it with my finger, because I feel like finger feels, I don't know, it just works better than brush sometimes. So this is after the first contour, and I will apply this one. The color is warmer, it's more tan. You kind of just emphasize this. Yeah, I make myself a new nose with this. And also I got this Mariel, and the color is medium, and it's a shaping stick. It's basically like toner. No, not toner. Contour. No. Bronzer. What's wrong with me? Bronzer, yeah. And I'll put it here. Yet I always blend my nose with my finger because I feel like they work more accurate. And then you blend it. And then my favorite part, the soul for the makeup, is blush. I just got a lot of new blush recently, but this time I'm only gonna introduce you the one that I've been usually use. I usually use multiple blushes on my face, and those are the brand that I've been using. It's a Chinese brand, but they're so nice. Yeah, it's liquid blush. So this color is very bright. It's like baby pink. I usually apply it under my eyes, but I feel like I already finished most of them, so. And then I also apply it a little bit on my nose, like this, one dot. And then also a little bit here. Then another color is more red, and I will apply it here. You kind of go for the direction like this, so it will make your face more lifted. And now the blush just make your makeup look very like spring, you know, a little lighter on your face. I really like blush. I feel like I have a blind spot for blush. And for what I usually do after blush, I will put another bronzer again. And this is my plate for bronzer, and I'll put this orange one, just a little, and a little bit on the nose. Then I'll put the powder on before I do my lip combo, because I like to wear glasses. Yeah, it's better to do the powder before glasses. Oh, I forgot to put on my highlight. This is the highlight pencil that I've been using. I'd also found it in China. I will put a little bit on my nose, like this. You see it? And a little bit here. But let's make it blurry. And then most importantly, you put it here. Now we're doing lips. So before I started, I like to put contour or eyeshadow under my lips, so it kind of create your lips more like bigger. It's slightly red, but like kind of orange. Don't put too much, and you put it here in the middle and the bottom of your upper lips. No, bottom lips lid. You see it? You see it? It's already feeling like your lips are bigger, and you feel like it's more juicy, like more. And then now just slightly just draw a lip liner, but don't too much, just a little bit. So now, even without lip liner, your bottom lips already look like this. And now we do upper lips. Upper lips, you only put like here. And then you could like try to connect it here, but just a little bit. See, my lips already look bigger. So for the lips today, let's put on something pink, light, not very red, because I do feel like if it's a spring makeup, let's make it like, you know, like this kind of feeling. I really like Lineage, and this color, I feel like it really suits this makeup. So let's use this one. But also, don't put too much, let's just put a little bit. Yeah, I feel like now this color looks perfect. Perfecto. Anyway, this is the final makeup, and it looks very natural. It's very, feel like spring, feel like fresh. It's very peachy, very girly. This is the end of the video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want me to do the other makeup that I had on my Instagram before, just let me know in the comment. I love you guys. Bye.